Hi, it's Bryn from the vac shop in Brighouse, and I just thought I'd show you this Henry that we have just cleaned and serviced for a customer. So here I am. We've just cleaned and serviced the bucket. I'm just going to put a fresh bag into it. Microfiber bag, a little bit stronger than the paper ones. A new filter. And then the head has been cleaned and serviced all around, inside and out. If you want to see the model numbers, they're all there. Really nice little machine this. Nice colour, nice and light. 7.7 kgs this machine. Let's give it a plug in. Make sure everything's good. So it's got the little light indicator to show that the machine has got power going to it. It's just the one speed on this. It's got a 620 watt motor. Turn her on. Sounds sweet as a nut. So, just let you have a little look at that. Give us a thumbs up if you think we've done a good job of it. Hopefully you can see yourself in it and also see our shop. And this customer's opted for a replacement toolkit as well. So I'm going to get that toolkit and just show you what the customer's opted to go for with it. See what you think? Switch that off. Tidy the cable up. Just pop that there on it. So this customer with this kit, they've asked for a replacement kit. So the kit comes with a 2.5 metre hose. Great for when you're doing the stairs. Floor head. This has got the metal base on it, so it's not the cheap plastic head. It's not a genuine head. It is an aftermarket one. Well, the kit is, but it is the metal floor head, which I find a little bit more hard wearing, not like the plastic one wearing away. You get the 3 metal tubes, which makes the wand. Obviously really easy for when you're doing the hard floors and carpets. And then when you come into the stairs, skirting boards, or even your car, I mean there's a lot of people that like doing the car out there. Henrys, they can wheel anywhere, throw anywhere. They're absolutely fantastic, aren't they, for using whatever you want to use. I mean, we use them to clean other vacs with, you know. Some people collect them, some people vac everything with them. But yeah, absolutely fabulous when you're cleaning cars or downside of seats, sofas, you know, list goes on. But you get one crevice tool with it. You get a dusting brush. Really good bristles on these. Strong. And then you get the upholstery tool, and this one's got the sliding so that you can take the brush on and off and use it with or without it, which I think is better when you're coming to do seats and upholstery. I mean, what do you guys think? But yeah, pop in the comments below what you think. But that tool I think is really, really useful. And one thing that everyone loses is the attachment which you put into your tools from your hose. You need this because obviously they don't work when you're just using tool to hose. You always need an adapter. But obviously anyone who buys a kit from us, should they lose that, we've always got spare ones. I can't even keep hold of it myself, so anyone else ain't going to have much luck, are they? But yeah, so this machine, I'll just click it on. If you're looking for a replacement kit, by all means, if you can't find one, get in touch with us. Be able to sort you out with one. But yeah, the reach on these are really good, especially if you wanted to leave it at the bottom of the stairs, go halfway up, and then put it to the top of the stairs, come back down with it. But obviously people have got different ways of using them. Some people stretch the wire right out, some people leave them in, you know, but absolutely great machine this. But that's all for that one, I think. But if you like the video, give us a subscribe. I'm sure there'll be plenty more to come. Thanks for watching.